take my job very seriously because when I look out at my college students, they are my kids' future teachers. And so, wow, nothing could be more important to me than making sure that my kids and everybody's kids have high quality teachers who care about them. I see my job as the teacher to layer on the content to their experiences and then help them connect that back to their practice and education in the field. Help create a community in the classroom to where we're all learning from each other's experiences. So part of our program too, we like to place students in different levels of schools and different types of schools so they get a well-rounded experience and so they can kind of see, wow, I loved that. I didn't think I would love middle school, but then you placed me at Jeff and I loved it and I want to do middle school. So it's those kinds of formative experiences that in advising meetings informally we're able to talk through that. I give advice like, well, this has been my experience and I don't know. We put it all together and that helps guide students to a path that's going to be a best fit for them in their future careers. They go on to get jobs. It's amazing. I think CC is a great place to come and pursue your degree in education and certification because you will get so much of time with your professors, those small class sizes, getting to actually build relationships with professors and your colleagues and peers in ways that you don't have that same opportunity elsewhere. And we also have so many relationships with schools, not only in this area, but all over, that we can place you for your field experiences. We build in a lot of those field experiences to make sure that you're getting not only the course components, but the practice components too throughout your program. And we have support built up along the way for our students. So it's a great place.